All right, it's on.
Okay, I'm going to be doing my micro teaching on graph and quadratic functions. Basically, I want to start with a warm-up, which is basically going to talk about finding the vertex and finding the axis of symmetry. So it's about 7 problems here. And then once we complete the warm-up, then we will go right into a PowerPoint, and basically I'm going to have a PowerPoint on graph and quadratic functions. We're going to review what the y-intercept is. We're going to review finding the vertex, finding the x-coordinate of the vertex, and also finding the y-coordinate of the vertex. Once we go through the PowerPoint, then the students, they will work an activity on graphing some quadratic functions. On this activity, they're going to have to find the y-intercept, the axis of symmetry, and the vertex, and any points of reflection. So basically, instead of students having to use a t-table to plug in points using the x and y table, once they know these properties of a quadratic function, then they will be able to graph it. After they graph it, then we will complete an exit ticket, and on this exit ticket, they are going to list some characteristics of the quadratic function. So basically, I'm looking for these students to talk about the y-intercept, talk about the vertex, talk about the x-coordinate of the vertex as well as the y-coordinate of the vertex, talking about reflecting the points across the y-axis, because of course and also talking about the line of symmetry as well, because once they're able to find the line of symmetry, then they can find their reflection points. Also, there will be an application of the quadratic function, talking about the maximum height, finding the zeros of the function, finding the time, finding the length of time that an object is in the air. So these are some things that I'm planning on going over in my micro teaching. And I think once students go through this activity, and once we go through the PowerPoint and examples and they work together, I think they will come out of it with a good understanding of applications of the quadratic function and also some properties and characteristics of the quadratic function. Okay.